If I had to start web development from zero and land a job, here's the clean, no-fluff path I'd follow. Skill, project, job, 3 stages, 90 days if you're focused. Stage 1, skills, weeks 1 to 3, HTML and CSS first, build 1 responsive page a day, navbar, grid, cards, forms, no libraries, learn Flexbox and grid, JavaScript fundamentals, variables, arrays, objects, functions, fetch, async, await, DOM. If you can't build a modal and a form validator from scratch, you're not done. Tools, VS Code, Git and GitHub, Chrome Dev Tools, Web Basics, HTTP, status codes, REST, JSON, resources, MDN, FreeCodeCamp, the Odin Project. Stage 2, projects, weeks 4 to 7, ship 3 that prove real skills. Project 1, a clean, responsive landing page, pixel perfect, accessible, dark mode, fast, deployed on Netlify or Versal with a custom domain. Project 2, a CRUD app, tasks or bookmarks, start with local storage, then swap in a real backend. Node.js, plus, Express, plus, PostgreSQL, or Supabase, auth, pagination, form validation. Project 3, API mashup, weather, movies, GitHub, add search, add filters, caching, handle loading states, handle errors. Each project gets a GitHub repo with a clean README, demo link, screenshots, features, tech stack, what I learned, Lighthouse score above 90, performance, accessibility, at least 1 test, unit test with Jest or Vitest, or an E2E flow test, Cypress or Playwright. Bonus, learn a framework, React, Tailwind for styling, keep it minimal, components, props, and state, hooks, router. Stage 3, job, weeks 8 to 12, turn proof into offers. Portfolio, 1 page, your name, a tight bio, links to 3 projects, GitHub, contact. LinkedIn, headline, front-end developer, React, JS, Node, built X, Y, Z, feature your projects, post short build logs twice a week. Resume, 1 page, lead with projects, quantify results. Pipeline, 5 targeted applications a day, filter for junior, associate, front-end, full stack, ask for a referral before you apply. Message employees with a 3-line note and your best project. Open source, pick a repo you use, find a good first issue, make 1 small PR. Freelance reps, build a site for a local business or friend, get a testimonial, ship fast. Interview prep, 1 hour daily. JavaScript drills, array methods, promises, closures. LeetCode, easy is enough. Live build, practice a responsive card, practice a search bar, practice a fetch and render list on a timer. Behavioral, use star, situation, task, action, result. Tie answers back to your projects. Monthu, 90 minutes skills or features, 30 minutes applications. Fry, portfolio polish, networking, 1 PR. Sat, mock interview, ship 1 bug fix. Sun, rest or plan next features. Final tips, keep scope tiny, quality high, ship often, write everything down. Your README is your interview memory. Track the pipeline, applications, replies, interviews, feedback. You don't need permission, you need proof. Build the skills, ship the projects, make the ask. The job follows.